So you've lost your phone, whatever's happened, and now you've got to reset your Google Authenticator. The good news is it's very easy, so all you have to do is follow these very simple steps and you'll get there in no time. Firstly, grab your passport. Secondly, grab an A4 piece of paper and write the following onto it. Firstly, in the top line, write NGS Crypto. So NGS Crypto in the top line. Second line should have your email address. And lastly, just write today's date on there. Now what you have to do is grab your passport, grab that A4 piece of paper, and now take a high resolution color photo of yourself. So those of you who don't know what that means, just take a photo on your phone, make sure it's not a potato and you have no issues. And lastly, bring them together to make a selfie. It should be looking something a lot like this. After you've taken that photo, email it to support@ngscrypto.com. Beyond that, super simple. What they'll do is they'll send you a reply, follow some simple steps, and away you go. Then it's all sorted for you. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure to give us a thumbs up. It really helps the video, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.